Wait, if you are using an iPhone and you think the iPhone you bought is actually new, check this out. Now, most of the iPhones that we use are actually refurbished. You can have new, you can have iPhone replacements. If you are going to buy or you bought an iPhone from someone, here's one thing that you need to check, whether it's new or one of the others. Just hang on to your phone and get into settings. Now in settings, go to general and then about phone. Just look at the model number and check the first letter. The iPhone I have here begins with an N, and N stands for Apple replacement. Okay, this means that this phone has actually been replaced by Apple. And then if your model number begins with M, then that means that the iPhone is actually a very new one. Now if it begins with an F, then that means that the iPhone is a refurbished phone. So check that out in your settings, especially before you buy an iPhone. Alright, that's all I had for you today. If you enjoyed this video, I welcome you to subscribe to this channel. Just hit this little button here. It takes less than 1 second. Come on, go ahead and try.